Natalie, and I'm here to help you create a life you'll love, a life you'll enjoy more. Today I'd like to talk to you about a simple tool that you can use everywhere. But I find that I use this a lot when it comes to personal risk-taking and work challenges, work questions, when we want to change our jobs. Now, you don't know me that well, or maybe you do. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. But basically, I've changed jobs several times in my life. I've left really good positions. I've left positions that weren't working for me. I've quit. And not every time did I know what the next job was going to be. Now, a lot of people say that's a very courageous or stupid thing to do, and I have something to share as to how I did that and what gave me the confidence to do that. One of the things that gave me the confidence to do that is I realized that just because you want to quit a job, you don't need to do it right now. You could also do it 6 months from now, and you could spend the next 6 months saving money, talking to people about new opportunities, even talking about new opportunities in the company you're in now. Now, that works. I've done that. That's how I left Wix. Another way is just to quit cold turkey. Both those ways work. So next time you're not sure what the next thing to do with your job is, I'm just encouraging you to extend the timeline a bit. Usually the stress comes when we think we need to do it now. But if we had a month's more time or 6 months more time, and then we had time to catch up with ourselves, catch up with our decisions, make good, responsible plans like saving money, these things allow us to go in that direction to get where we want to go without getting as stressed about the whole scenario. So yeah, next time you're not sure about what to do next with your professional life, one, don't worry about what's coming next, because you can always get the same type of job you had before. And the second thing is extend your timeline a bit, just a bit. Look 6 months down the track. And that's probably going to help you quit your job a bit easier and make it less stressful on the finances too. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, I'd love you to share or subscribe to this feed, and you can find me on natalieshell.com.